Okay, earlier this year, AI gave us this set of AI Keno numbers, and they have turned out to be very lucky. Write them down and let's just see how lucky they can be. Also, subscribe for more free AI Keno strategies. Let's see how this first bonus round works out. Yes, the bet is 10, the coin is 10. Okay, we'll start off with 3 out of 7. Also, notice the cluster and pattern of the AI Keno numbers. AI does this a lot. Wow. Oh, okay. 3 out of 7. Starting off a little slow. Alright. 3 out of 7. One more play to go. I'll be darned. It was 60 credits for the bonus round. Let's see what got us here. That's not a bad start. The 5 out of 7 got us 130 credits. Write this lucky 7 spot down for your next casino visit. And subscribe for more AI Keno numbers. Let's take a look at another bonus round. Okay, let's continue with these AI Keno numbers to see if we can stay consistent or maybe just do a little better. Also, don't forget to subscribe and join the AI Keno community. Okay, let's see how we do with this next bonus round. Okay, let's look at the bet 10, the coin is 10. Alright, 3 out of 7, cool. And another one, also cool. 6 more plays to go. But of course, 3 out of 7. Yet another. That is cool. Keep on coming. Okay, one more play to go. 120 credits for the bonus round. Let's see what got us here. Cool. Yes, what got us here was 3 out of 7. Okay, the algorithm was consistent. A total of 7 3 out of 7 plays got us 130 credits. We'll take that all day. Okay, let's move on to our next bonus round. Okay, just a quick reminder. This 7th spot is AI developed from Google Bard AI data and ready for you to use. What are you waiting for? Subscribe and take your Keno game to the next level. All right, let's see how we do with this next bonus round. Okay, the bet is 10, the coin is 10. Typical way for us to start, 3 out of 7. I'll take a bunch more of those. Yeah, come on. Yeah, with 6 plays to go, 3 out of 7. Another one. Cool. Outstanding. 4 out of 7. Last play. Bonus round, 120 credits. Let's see what got us here. Okay, typical. 3 out of 7. You gotta admit, this 7th spot has been lucky and consistent. Also, change the bet to whatever you can afford. All right, what are you waiting for? Write these AI Keno numbers down and tell us how they work out for you. And good luck. Yes, beginners, AI Keno strategies, advice, hacks, and free AI Keno numbers in these 2 videos. You need to watch another video, and thanks for watching this video, and see you next week.